Right? I've known Barry for years. What's really cool, he actually chased down his old Barracuda that he had, like his first car.
Oh, I was thinking of fish.
And no, car. And found it years later. So he's a big car guy.
That's
he's
cool.
He's a big car guy.
Google the Barracuda. I've never heard of that.
Yeah, it's a really cool car. All right, outside today, warm, yes, but it's starting to look a little more seasonal in our forecast. And yes, a weather impact alert for today. But first, I want you looking upward in the coming nights for sure. And now, two reasons. I'll start with the first, the northern lights. This was last night in Smithson Valley. I'm not saying we're expecting the exact same, but look at this picture. You can even see the rays. I mean, just phenomenal. So it all depends on the geomagnetic storm strength coming off of the sun. If we have the kind of solar flare like we had yesterday afternoon, we could see this as far south again as Smithson Valley. Stay tuned. Also, okay, this is a hard one because I look at it, I'm just like, I want to buy a vowel. Where's Ryan Seacrest? All right, Comet Tsushinshan. It's also known as Atlas. This is a picture from David Barrera out at Big Bend. Look at this. I mean, that is a really cool shot of this comet, and it's going to be visible tonight in the western sky, and then tomorrow night, Sunday night, in fact, all the way through next week. So be looking for the comet. Atlas. Ozone Action Day today, so do everything you can to spare the air. Look at this. Unhealthy for sensitive groups, San Antonio, Austin, Houston, up even to Georgetown. So that does mean that anyone with asthma or COPD during the daytime heating hours can really feel the difference in breathing. So you try to spare the air of any added emissions. Try not to refuel your vehicles or anything. You don't want to be pumping gas in the heat of the day, which is right now till 7 p.m. So keep that in mind. All right, live look outside. Blue skies in every direction, looking good. A little bit of haze out there. Again, that's part of that air quality. But as far as sky condition goes, we are cloud free. 90 on the thermometer, so a few degrees less than yesterday as the dew point goes up. So that's one thing that happens. When you get a little bit more moisture in the air, you won't get as hot. Outside over tomorrow morning, we should expect things as far, well, not the morning forecast, but for this evening. I want to show you that the banner's not correct, but the forecast is. As we head through the evening, I think we'll go to the 80s by 7, maybe mid-80s by 8 o'clock. Last night and the last several nights, we've been getting into the 70s for the first time in a while at 10 p.m. Now, there's going to be a little bit more humidity out there tonight for Friday Night Football, but it's not going to be oppressive kind of humidity. That's the good news. In fact, over Saturday and Sunday, you're going to start feeling the difference when the dew points go up to the 60s. But notice, we go lower to mid-60s. We're not seeing upper 60s and 70s. Wish we had something to work with, but nothing just yet. Here's a system that moves east and drags a frontal boundary through early next week. And then later next week, this system sets up over the Four Corners. This could throw in a chance of rain for us. In fact, for the 7-day forecast, we've improved to 1/10 of an inch over the next 7 days. Not much statewide, but at least there's a chance. 14-day forecast begins with a weather impact alert for tomorrow. I'm thinking air quality is still going to be an issue. No air quality health alert issued yet. No ozone action day issued yet. I'm just putting this as a precautionary measure. We'll see. But by 5, 6 o'clock, if they haven't issued it by then, it won't happen for tomorrow. Mostly sunny mid-90s through Monday. Then the front comes in and you see the effects mid-80s where we should be this time of year, and fabulous mornings right around 60 for several. In fact, we stay in the mid-80s through next weekend, and that's where that isolated chance of a much-needed rain shower will be. Only 20% on the 19th and 20th.